Finding a way to win is my goal for my clients. As a realtor and a former competitor, I'm always looking for a way to win. I always try to listen first, find the tactics, then go forward from there, and I try to get the best result for them as possible. If they're winning, I'm winning. It's the grind, it's the exhilarating, it's meeting new people, it's the connections that I see. That to me is the best part. That's why I love real estate. I'm a professional. I make sure I listen to their needs from the beginning to the very end. I make sure that they're happy with the results that I'm giving them. At the end, I'm super happy to have established a relationship with my clients that we become great friends and they can come to me with anything they want. So if you're looking for the right place and the right area, I know all the ins and outs of Miami. I am going to find that place for you and meet your expectations and above. My name is Andres Morales and I help people find their spot.